I was out for a walk today, and as I was walking along the road, I was just thinking. I look down. A lot of times when I'm running or walking, I'll see things on the road, and sometimes I'll stop and pick them up. So today I stopped and picked up a bolt. And I've just been carrying that bolt around, thinking about a bolt. Thinking in my mind, what does a bolt do? What's the purpose of a bolt? And the purpose of a bolt is to hold things together. You've got two pieces of metal, two pieces of plastic, two pieces of some sort of a structure that fit together, and you put a bolt in and put a nut on the bottom of it and screw it together, and it holds it together. Without the bolt, these structures would fall apart. Giant skyscrapers held together by bolts. Trucks, cars held together by bolts. The question that I want to ask is, what's holding you together? What's the bolt in your life that holds it together? See, if there's not something in our life that's holding it together, it eventually will fall apart. Now, for a while it may stand. If you had a giant building or structure or tower and you took out all the bolts, it might stand for a little while, just on its own support and tension alone. But when the wind started to blow, the storms came in, it's coming down. And if there's nothing holding our lives together, it's coming down. So you need to stop and ask yourself the question, what is holding my life together? What type of work am I doing in my life that's holding it together? Is there something in your life that's holding it together? And if so, are you doing work on it? Are you pouring time into it? Are you strengthening it? Or are you just hoping it holds together long enough? What's the bolt in your life? Do the work. Moyo. Everywhere we go.